Alright, good day everyone, it's Gareth again from Whatchamacallit Gaming, and we're continuing our Techtonica playthrough. We've just had the Oops It's Concrete patch drop, so that should be fun when we get to it. I'm hoping we can actually get to base building at some point, but given how difficult it is to get resources because I have such a major power problem, I don't know. I really don't know if we're going to be able to get anywhere today. I'm going to try my best, because we are now getting plenty of raw materials in. We've got enough foundries making it, so that's not a problem. Okay, we've got 5, and we need 2, 4. Still need another 2 batches of copper. Oops, wrong container. Just gonna steal that, thank you. So we got 1,500, 1,832. Sorry, I had to think there for a second. Have been trying to avoid thinking. Plant matter boxes were good. We've got plenty of those because we're producing them right here. Yeah, we've got plenty. So it's just copper and iron that's coming in that's the problem. Now, I would like to add more... Can I add more copper furnaces here? I don't know if I can hop it over this way. The biggest problem is getting the belt to rejoin. Or do I run it along the outside? There is a gap here. But will it fit in this small gap? Or do I don't know. I don't know what the limit for the belts are. Well, let's just give it a try quick. So if we're building a belt, it's going here. Okay, that's not gonna... I really wish they would add a button. Because unless you build... So you either have to build above or build below. But unless you bump into something, you can't raise or lower the belt as far as I can tell. Let me just hit construction. Okay, that does that. But if I... well. Okay, let's go here. Okay, no, that fits. That fits. Okay, if we do that, we'll erase that one. Okay, we'll leave that for now. How many smelters? I have 2. Can we build... No, because we need limestone and components. Okay. Just hide for now. Limestone, not a problem. We have way too much limestone. Components, it was? Copper components. That's belts, that's this one. Let's just build 5 of them. Yeah, I've stopped making copper components. Oh, will you hide again? What are you doing? You've got 39 and you've got nothing. So here, here. Give me this. Let's go dump this quickly in our water-cooled research facility. See, there it is. Water-cooled. Very nice and fancy. So I'm not going to dump the blue ones. Do we have any research points? We've got 118. We can research faster. Inserters, transportation, we've got that. Got this energy, science. We want to do processing units because we're going to make them. We're going to do this Omni Seeker. Construction, we have a beacon and an overhead light. So all that's left to research is conveyor belts Mark II.
Task inbound, Omni Seeker. Equipped to locate resources and other points of interest. Requires calibration of frequencies.
I would have liked a little more information than that, please. What does calibration of frequencies mean? Where exactly do I find these calibration of frequencies? You know, the stuff that actually makes sense. Here's the fast inserters, but that requires power. We're not making processors yet. Beacon. I do want to make these, but they need electrical components. I don't think we're making any. We might be, I don't know. Okay, processing units and equipment. Text resources, and we need more scanners, processing units. Okay, I think we've got most of it. Oh, for flip's sake, hide this now. But for now, I just want to try, because technically I'm still doing the tutorial. I never even realized this. I'm still in the tutorial of the game. Oh, and we're out of juice again. Yeah, this cranks I really need to unlock. That's going to be the first thing I unlock as soon as we up the level. Is I'm going to unlock more of these. Well, sorry. Is it under terraforming? No. Energy. First thing I'm going to unlock. water wheels. Okay, we've got our additional furnaces. They're gonna have to go one back because we've got to bring the belt forward. So we need to build them like here, which is unfortunate. It doesn't have a level system. Oh, damn it. Is it going to be far enough though? Okay, hang on. I'm gonna have to do this differently. It's gotta line up because it's gotta get the other resources. So it's got to take in and drop off. Okay, so we're going to need quite a lot of things. Okay. Well, just give me this. It's not as interruptive. Okay, I need mechanical components to make inserters. That should be here. Okay. Don't need filter inserters. Or do I? Because this side is going to take in the raw fuel. This side's going to take in raw ore and kick out processed material. It's then going to have to come here and I have to climb over this and it's going to join here. So, let's get our raw fuel belt. We don't need that. Okay, that's our raw material belt. Excuse me. Here's our fuel belt, which somehow worked out. I don't know how or why. Now we're going to need more filter inserters, but we've got enough. Now we want to go from here. Straight across, up, up. Join there. Ah! Wrong machine. That would have been weird to get. Okay, that should give that should boost our copper production. But I think we've just once again. Okay, no, power supply is still alright, though our charge is lousy. We can't build these now, but we need electrical components, and I don't think I'm making any. I don't think so, or am I? What are you? Okay, I'm making electrical components. Okay, yeah, but resources are a bit slow now because I'm stripping resources away. Alright, we've got... Okay, the iron is almost at 2,000. We've got a 1,664. Copper is, of course, now not coming in because it's a bit sluggish. But that's fine, as long as we're overdoing it. Okay, we've got spare copper in the machine, so let's take it out. Yeah, we need that. Okay, that one is not full, that one is not full, that one is not full. We'll just dump the spare copper because we don't need it. Don't need the iron that we're storing either. 2020 copper. We need 2,400. Yeah, just trying to get to the point where we have the resources we need. What are you? Oh, you're making iron frames and iron components. Alright, we need to make... where is it? We need to make processes. We have plant frames. That's not a problem. But first, let me just take the necessary plant frames out of our production loop. That way, I won't use them up by accident, and then we have to make more. We're making electrical components all the way over there. Making plant frames all the way over here. We've got power generation here. It may pay me to make it manually. I'm going to basically have to rebuild this entire base because it is horribly placed. I'm not sure if I can actually do a better job. Probably not. But I can always try. You have stopped. I'm not even growing that green plants and processing them, which we need for coolant for our mining equipment and for research purposes because I don't have the power. I can go in there. I will admit, I actually like this. It really doesn't do anything in-game, because these don't generate heat, but it's just nifty for me. Though probably you would not do that in real life without some kind of completely insulated server, and in between the insulated, completely sealed up servers you would have heat sinks. And then the water would constantly run over the heat sinks if you were going to build a natural cooling system. And even then, I don't know what the long-term problems will be, because I don't know how much heat the heat sinks from those servers will transfer. I don't know if the water is used...
You're starting to get a nice little collection of research course breaker. I won't forget it.
Sorry, got interrupted. I don't know what kind of effects the now warmed water will have downstream. In an underground position like this... Oh, damn it, 5 minutes is really not long enough to do anything. In an underground area like this, and in a game it doesn't matter, but in real life, heating up underground water with a server where you're going to easily, especially if you're running, say, heavy research programs and you can get 200-300 degrees out of it, I don't know what the long-term kind of damage downstream you'll cause using a natural cooling system like this for it. I guess it depends where underground it's going. If it's going for several miles or kilometers, or several hundred kilometers completely underground, then it's probably not a problem to heat the water up. Flip, maybe that's an option. You build your server farm, you have it water cooled, and it heats up your water, and then you pump that water to a hot spring facility of some kind, or a warm public bath. There you go. There's the way to recycle computer waste heat. Alright, what do I want to do? I still want to do the plant matter thing. That's basically all I'm waiting for, is to complete this task, and then we can go do the rescue here. But it's taking its sweet time. So we've got most of the resources, just the iron is a problem. I should check. Yeah, you're overfill. You're overfill. Yeah, I need the fast belts. But this does help, because it's also another stockpile of resources. Okay, copper is... iron, we now have enough iron, so I'll take that, I'll take that. Okay, we don't actually need this anymore. So what we're going to do... start collecting our copper. Though we're probably not that far off. Yeah, we still need another 300 or so. But iron we've got at long last. Actually, and that's actually really weird. I thought copper, because it was melting so quickly, would work out, but nope. Okay, why are you stalling out? What's the problem? Oh, raw material shortage. What can I do here? We know this copper vein goes basically all the way to about here. So let's just go ahead and remove some of this rock and just see what we get. Yep. So we can add another 2, I think. There really has to be a cancel button for this. Okay, we just can't squeeze in the second one. So let's try removing a bit more rock. This one isn't going to work as well as we would like. Because it's only just coming into contact with the raw materials. How did I do this? Oh. Sorry, my bad, my bad, my bad. Couldn't figure out why that wasn't making sense, and now it makes sense. I'd moved the one conveyor belt too far forward. Oops. No. Really? Okay. That should add to our copper production. Though this one is not going to be as efficient because it's only catching like 2/3. Oh no, it's smashing far enough forward. Should work. Yeah, we need fast inserters on all of this, and we need fast... apparently... Okay, I'm confused why that one was stuck. But it's nice to know I can look at it, hit R, and it'll rotate. I probably have already known that, I just forgot. Okay, we have slightly boosted our copper production by 2 whole machines, and 99.99% probability, we are out of power again. This 5-minute thing sucks. 10 minutes, 15 minutes, please, but 5 minutes you can't do anything. And it's taking so long to get power to the next level. Okay, 200, we're still short. Let's check which machines are stuck up here. That one is a little bit. No, no, no. Now iron production is wonderful. Copper production sucks. Mind you, we basically doubled. No, not quite doubled iron production. We've got 3 machines, so we improved it. But we've way doubled copper production, but it's still not enough. Am I sending this copper to the wrong place? Yeah, I am, because this mining unit is now no longer doing anything, so... Let's... Oh, I just want to delete the top. Please tell me I just deleted the top. Yes, I did. Thank you. Let's get these machines to be filled with this copper, and then the other machines will be filled with the other copper, and that should hopefully solve the problem. It's not going to be perfect because I actually need one more machine this side and one more less machine that side, but could I? Maybe? I don't know if this is is the copper vein still continuing here or not. It's not. Bugger. Okay, I was hoping the copper vein continued, but it doesn't. It looks like it cuts off here. So that tiny upgrade did nothing. I was hoping I could squeeze another mining machine in here. We'll probably find the copper vein continues this way, but I'm not going to take the chance right now. This is fine though. Oh well. We're not that far off. We're really not that far off at all. We're 100 units short of hitting our goal for the copper. Unless I've over-calculated here. 2, 3, 4. Nope. Just under 100 short, so it shouldn't take too long to get there. I guess I'll just keep turning the cranks, much to my annoyance. And because I added extra units, are we still having a power problem? No, we've got plenty. Batteries are full. Alright, I wanted to make more batteries, that's right. So battery production, so I'm going to make it manually. Copper frames we are making, electronic components we are making. I just want to go here quick. Random box right in the middle. Let's not accidentally use up the very resources we need. We want copper frames. Wrong. Wrong. I'm making copper frames. I know I'm making copper frames. Right. Oh yeah, that's just the way that's going. Now we just need kindling material, which should be here. I'm gonna fill that entire room with battery power. Let's really go for this. You can have this electronic circuit back. This one? This one's making mechanical components. Okay. Made 3. Yeah, we're going to really to go for it here. We're going to get our batteries up and running. I'm going to fill that entire one room with battery packs. And I'm really hoping this game has some solution for major power problems. Okay, let's grab this. Let's go here. Okay, we've got enough to continue. I just want to finish the battery packs and then we'll do that. Okay, copper, iron, all good. Don't need this anymore. Don't need this. Don't need this. Assembler could probably make these units twice as fast as I'm making them, but I just couldn't be bothered. Okay, so where's the pattern here? That's wrong. Let's just stick with the pattern in this room. Okay, whatever this is, it's magic fungus. I can't build on it. Okay. And refresh out. Yeah, now we're going to see power requirements spike because we're recharging batteries. Not very good, these accumulators, but... because, I mean, 160 each. Where is that? Accumulator. Does it tell me how much juice it stores? It does not. Let's get these cranks back up. Like I said, 5 minutes, really not a lot of time to do anything. I would love for these to be 10 or 15 minutes, give the player a chance to actually run around and do stuff. Obviously, I'm supposed to have already gotten, hydroelectric power, but I have not. It was P, right? Yeah, okay, it says these do not store. How much power do these things store? Because if I'm looking here, it can't be more than 5 units of megajoules each. Not even. Sorry, it says so here in the corner. 1,000 kilojoules, so it's not even... so it's 1 megajoule. Was that 10,000 kilojoules? 10,000 kilojoules. It's not even 1 megajoule. Damn, these things suck. Mine... oops. Screwed that one up. Where's my pattern gone wrong here? That's correct. Oh, I think the pattern went wrong here. There's supposed to be walking space between each unit. I could probably stuff extra batteries in here. I just can't demolish existing batteries, so I'm gonna just leave the walking space, if you will, available. And refresh out. Yes, the Dapies, these things don't store very much power. I can't remember if 1,000 kilojoules is 1 megajoule, and 10,000 kilojoules, then it's 10 megajoules. If it works on the 1,000, I don't know, I'm not an electrician. I did study some electrical work when I was doing IT, but that was a very long time ago, and I don't know. And then we worked in millijoules and amperage, because we were working on microcircuits. We were not working on stuff that required high voltage power. You run 10,000 kilojoules through a computer, you'll cook it quicker than you can say, oops. And yes, in case you're curious, I have done that before. One of the things I've hated the most, and I hate this with a true passion, is several companies, especially here in South Africa where load shedding is a thing, they have the computers set so when the power fails and then comes back on, the power supply will automatically switch the computer on. You can actually set it up in the BIOS. Sorry, just taking a drink. The BIOS on a computer so that when power comes on, it will automatically switch the computer on. Now, this is fine for work computers and for companies that can afford to replace stuff. But what cheeses me off is these settings are often left in these machines when they're refurbished and they go to schools or they go to offices. So it has happened to me at least twice, probably more than twice, but I know of two reasons. Twice I remember very, very well. I was working for a friend, and he got a lot of these old computers from a school that they wanted refurbished, that they had gotten from a company, and I plugged it in, and it immediately blew the power supply and fried the board. Why? Because the moment I put that plug in, the computer tried to switch on, and I have hated that function. It's happened another time when I was working with IT as well. It's just makes me so upset. I understand it's for convenience, but it is the quickest way to break a computer that I've ever seen, is to set it up so that it'll automatically switch on after a power failure. That's fine if it's plugged in and you have a surge protector on it, but it's really, really bad for IT personnel because there is a good possibility that the IT person who is working on the computer will just plug it in and it'll just blow because they haven't put the plug in properly, or in the case there, they were old PCs so they weren't the best stuff, but there was just that possibility that it was going to die on me, and it did, and it popped. Okay, we've got our resources, so let's do that. Let's get this bit done. But it's just one of those things that have always cheesed me off. Why are you still not working? You are working. I don't know. We want to go here. And then we'll see if we can get closer to this emergency broadcast. Now this should be the Victor terminal. There it is, right on the side, Victor. Please unlock hydroelectric power for me. Yes. Now we'll see if it wants blue research units instead of, white. Okay.
Terminal upgraded. New technologies and recommended tasks available.
The tech tree is really opening up now, Breaker. Water wheels and mining charges are both going to be things I promise you won't know how you got this far without. Cooling systems will probably help you open up a lot of broken, overheated facility doors in the sector too. And keep an eye out for those blue research core fragments.
Okay. Yes. Give me water wheels for the love of. Rail runner? It's personal traversal via monorail tracks. Okay, we haven't unlocked that yet. We still gotta get these terminals. We've unlocked mining charges, but I'm not gonna go there yet. Okay, we need blue that. Oh, we need this. We so need it. Plant matter and limestone. But the problem is, how do we get plant matter? Because we can't get it from our mulchers, because I would have loved for that to be a thing. That you could take this, rerun it through the mulcher, and you get plant matter. We don't. But for now... Alright. First things first. Water wheels, where are you? What do you need? Electrical components, iron frames. I'm going to make a lot of these. Because I am sick to death of constantly cranking power. Like I said, we were probably supposed to already have this tech quite a while back, and we didn't. So, okay, electrical components. Just give me everything you got, I do not care. Really? What do we come short on? Iron frames. Oh, because each one needs 30 iron frames. Got it. Actually, what am I doing? Let's just alternate this machine's production. We want you to make this. Wow, that is actually very, very slow. Oh well. It'll make 2 a minute. Okay, logistics. This is not going to work. I was hoping it would work. It's not going to work. At least not the way I wanted it to. Oh, don't tell me. Yes. Okay. No. If I do that? No. I'm confused. Why am I not getting a joint box here? I should be getting one. Why am I not getting one of these, what's it, hang on, I gotta find one quick. Why is it not spawning one of these? Or is that strictly an input-output thing? It should have spawned it already. Don't worry, I'm gonna so fix you guys when I'm done. Why am I not getting a divider box here? Why is it not spawning a divider box? Okay, let's do it. Try this. Why are you not spawning a divider box? Whatever the heck that thing is called. What the hell? Okay, so it has to be at the end of the belt to spawn. Fair enough. Hang on, now I can't remember what these things need. That, got it. That. Iron frames. The mechanical components and electrical components. Awesome. Take. Doesn't matter how they get into the machine as long as they get into the machine. Okay, we're going to temporarily lower the total power output of our base because we've got to reorganize our power generation here. And then I'm going to build a machine to make, what's it? Those other stuff. Okay, I think here is where this starts, so this has to go. Okay, that's not ours, so this has to go. Okay, we're going to be running low on juice here because we don't have the system. Okay, that's fine. That's basically how that was, and then we'll connect it here, okay. That's crank box, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Okay, I want this one. Okay. Why won't you go in? There we go. Okay, I want to get this one up and running first. And that'll boost these things back to full power and maximum output. Yeah, luckily we've got plenty of power, voltage usage still in the thing, and then I'm going to expand it forward. I'm going to double that thing's production. So probably put one forward, one back, and transfer all these crank shafts onto that. But what are you still complaining about? Oh, okay, we can make the blue science course, but we can't do that yet. Cooling system. Have we unlocked cooling systems? Not seeing cooling here. Logistics? Nope. Hang on. No, that's the monorail system, which I do want to experiment with. I don't see this cooling system. I don't think we've unlocked that yet. Or is this a default unlock? Yeah, it's a default unlock. Here it is. But to make that, we need Silverhorn. To make Silverhorn, we need power. And right now, we have no power. We got some power. We don't have a lot of power. Yeah, I'm going to build another set of water wheels this side and another set of water wheels this side. Hopefully that should take care of our power production problems at long last. Voila! First, let's finish and get this system back up online. But, awesome! Oh, oops, this has to go. I'll fix it in a minute. Yeah, right now power production is... okay, it's stable. It is stable, but we are getting extra power from those crank generators I've got downstairs. Journal log, this is recommend research for... command log. Oh, right, we finished one, so we gotta go all the way down here to water wheel orientation and turn that off. We got a lot of side quests to complete, but right now I'm just happy we have access to power. This is what's making me the happiest. This is probably going to take a little while because, yeah, production-wise is horrendously slow. Hopefully we can research either next tier production systems or an upgrade to our existing assemblers that'll speed them up. That would be nice. Just too short. Is that... oh, okay, yeah, the units have shut down downstairs. Okay, I'll crank them back up. Like I said, 5 minutes is really not a lot of time to do anything. It may seem like a lot of time, but it's a game time, so it's not even 5 minutes. Okay, now that took how many seconds? Almost 10 seconds game time to go from there to there. So yeah, that's really not a lot of juice. Oops. Alright, we can complete our existing power systems, and then I'm going to expand it because I know I'm going to use a lot of juice. I always use a lot of juice. All my bases have like 5-10 times the necessary amount of power. Oh, I didn't know I did that. That a normal facility of the same type would have. Okay, all online, though this is now in my way. So, and these rocks are in my way. Can I flatten this? Yes, I can. Awesome. Now this is... walkway is 2 blocks plus 4, so... this will be... come on, no. This will be the new walkway. For power generation. Unfortunately, we're going to be a bit short here because I don't think we can erase this. No, this is part of the structure, so we'll have to see. This side, I may actually add additional generators that side. I'm going shorten it, so I put generator here. So let's see here. Four blocks for power plant. There really has to be a. I wish the right mouse button would turn off construction. So if you're building something and you use the right mouse button, it would stop. It would automatically disconnect the construction thing. Okay, this can just be a solid floor. Then, okay, this is all solid floor to here. Then there's the first block. Just gonna do this to keep track of things, and then I can always, oops, no. Just to keep track of the pattern, and then I will sort it out later. Because yeah, this is gonna have to be a solid floor as well. Like I said, we've got plenty of these crank generators. I may just leave those other crank generators downstairs as part of the emergency supply system. Okay, why? Oh, yeah, that's because I'm one over. Right. Okay, I'm not going to connect this side up because the first water wheel is going to be here, and then I'll probably put another. Okay, so I'm not sure if this pattern is going to work quite as well as I would like. Let's go get some more water wheels. Okay, well, actually, let's reassemble the rest of the crank generators. One here, 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 one here. Actually, can we add additional crank generators to this list? Because I think we can. Power-wise, we're actually doing really, really well. Okay, maybe just one more row would be enough to generate all the power we need. Can we squeeze a crank generator in here? No, we cannot. Okay. Let me just delete these and we'll see how we sort this out, because this crank generator actually has to go right here. It's got a dividing block for each stage. Won't let me build it that side. Right. We've probably run into a problem downstairs where the sorters are loading the correct resources onto the belt, but because they're not loading it in a timed order, this is going to get stuck eventually, because I don't know, it doesn't matter. Let's keep going with power. Power, give me power. I want power. Man, I sound like a loony. Oh well. Also, don't know if we're going to see a limit. Oh, come on. Sorry, I'm trying to get my spacing correct here. I don't know if there's a limit to how much power you could build on a waterway. If they've added that mechanic into the game, it could be that this water wheel will slow down the water, so this water wheel will go slower, and that water wheel will go slower. I don't know. So, direction-wise, I think is fine. It's not catching the lead edge, it's pushing... Well, it is catching the lead edge, so it's fine. But for a brand new water wheel, it looks awfully rusted. Must complain to our production manager. They're not painting these damn things properly. And now we're having power production problems. Have we actually slowed down the water? This one is producing full charge. Oh no, 5 minutes are up. Right. 5 minutes are up. So our auxiliary power is probably shut down. It has, but I'm not going to turn it back on. In fact, I'm actually going to erase these damn things. I'm not going to sit here with this darn thing blinking at me the whole freaking time. And I can use the space to start making electronical processors. That's the word I was looking for, processors. Let's get the power systems back up, and see if we are actually slowing things down. We should have enough crankshafts to keep all of these running at full capacity. That's running full capacity, that's running full capacity, that's running full capacity. These are all running full capacity. So water wheel wise, we're fine. Darn, mate. Just getting this. I want to aid at that corner. Thank you. There we go. Still not enough power. Just barely enough power. But it's working. And we don't have to run back and forth on the blinking crank generators all the time. But it's not enough in total. So I'm probably going to have to expand this again. But for now, it's fine. Let's start thinking here. What do we have material-wise? Okay, do we have... Okay, we don't have any of those... we've got assemblers, we've got this. We've got some spare water wheels. But we don't have enough plant threshers, and we don't have enough planters. So we need more of these. Where the heck do I get dirt from anyway? I know I pick it up when I'm mining, but... Is there a specific type of soil we can get a lot of dirt from? I don't know. Okay, we want more electronical components. Luckily, we are producing more of those. We want more steel frames. Not that type, that one. Thank you. Oh, sorry, we wanted iron components, not steel frames. But we may need... do we need steel frames for this? No, we need copper components. And okay, that can go back. Give me this, give me this. This and mechanical components should be this box. No, this box. I want to build 5 of these and 1, 2, 3 of these. Basically, we're probably going to set it up here. And it's going to be the same setup here. We're going to have the, but we're going to go for these blue plants. Okay, remove that, give me this. We want to give space for the belt and the construction equipment, so it'll go here approximately. There. Yep. Nope. Is the correct location, it just got to come one forward. In case we got to run a belt around the back.
Breaker, don't forget to follow up on that signal if you aren't on your way there already, and move fast.
She's
An automated distress call doesn't fire off from one of our suits for nothing. Go!
Yes, yes, sorry. Where is it? Where is it? Which emergency broadcast was it? Because it's not Terminal Victor. Okay, let's get this working, and then we'll go. She's clearly concerned, which is understandable. Just out of curiosity, what did that do to our power requirements? Flippin' buried them. Okay, that's fine. Let's figure out how all this thrashing units are going to work anyway. I don't know if we need 2 thrashing units, but not going to be a problem. Alright, logistics. 5, 10. And we need belts. Luckily we have most of the components, so it's not a case of we're going to run into resource problem. Why? Oh yeah, because it's using them up. And luckily it builds assemblers really, really fast. We'll go check out that emergency broadcast door while we wait for everything to build. It's not that far if memory serves. Somewhere over there. Why are you guys blinking? Oh, right. I haven't solved the fuel problem. Oh, for flip's sake, this is just biting me in the butt today. And now with the power problem, I don't think we're going to be making enough fuel. Okay, what did it want to make that power stuff? Limestone and plant matter. Okay, we've got to boxes. We've got an assembler. We'll just do this. We'll put one box here, one box here. Grab an assembler here. We'll feed it in the one side and spit it out the other. So we'll go 2 here. No, we want long, long. You will be making this. Gonna have to dismantle part of the floor. Sorry, I just need to check something. Oh, sorry about that, everyone. I started working and forgot I'd paused. Basically, I've just opened up this area, but you really didn't miss very much. Thankfully. Just opened it up a bit so we can start here. And I checked if flattening will fill holes when you make them in the ground like this. It does not. So the flattening function doesn't fill up the holes. Okay, that's done, that's done, that's done. Okay, we want to grab this. Okay. Belts, give me belts, give me belts. Also, our construction of material is done. Don't know if this is going to work. It did, thank you for that. You can take that back. Give me all the limestone I stored in here. Oh, wow, we're actually over encumbered. I didn't think that was a thing in this game. Because I've just been stuffing my inventory full. Wow. I honestly didn't think that was a thing in this game. Oh, oops. That one. That one. It's fine, it'll grab it anyway, so it's not going to be a big problem. I honestly didn't think becoming over encumbered was a thing in this game. Okay, so, oh, 50 limestone. Whee! Let's just get this started, please. Thank you. Alright, we were working on this and we're getting nowhere. Yes, I'm standing next to a giant rotating blade that somehow is not eating me alive. Okay, it's producing the seeds and it's producing silverthorn buds. Okay. Filter inserters. One here. One here. I really wish these could feed directly into a box without a conveyor belt, but that doesn't look like that works. So for now, one here. You will take that. You will take that. Sorry, I'm hitting E to exit, and instead it's just, it automatically exits once you select what you want to do with the resources. Oops, no. Okay, that's going to do that just fine. Crate. We are so burning power. I don't know if we need to mulch this further. We probably do, but we'll get there. For now, we're at least making it. Come on. until we can generate enough power that fast inserters actually become a practical approach, or what were those other types I was using? Ah, that's what I need to do here. Oh, but I can't. No, I can. Can we make more? We cannot. So one will have to be here and here. I probably found them in a box, so there we go. Assembler. Come on, why can't I select? Ah, because of fresh out. Well, I got my wish. We're doing base building. So that's awesome. Probably suffering from a severe power problem at the moment, but nothing we can do about that. This is going throughout the whole system. Yeah, it is. Lime is not a problem. Okay, good. That should solve that problem. We still have a sort of exit. I've kind of completely sealed up the exit here. Let's check power production is barely adequate, and we're draining the battery packs. Okay, so we have to solve that problem. I just want to check something here. Okay, we still got a little time to play, so let's grab these. Is that it? That's all you've made? Oh, because you've stalled. Yeah, this didn't work according to plan, unfortunately. Okay, let's just dump what I'm not using back into their boxes so I don't use them up. That can go here. Darn me and the shift key. Okay, let's just grab what we need to use. Okay, base building, I want this. Iron ingots, copper wire. Okay. Copper wire. Iron ingots are... Copper ingots, sorry. Copper ingots. Stucco block. Thank you. Ah, it's iron ingots, not copper. I may want to build a reserve catchment area. I don't know. That's plenty. I need to build more water utilities. I think the next episode we'll investigate that emergency broadcast. This failed miserably, so I'm gonna just dismantle it. That was not my intention. I'm just going to feed this damn thing manually. Water wheels are expensive, but we need power. We desperately need power. I wouldn't be surprised if some players online have covered this entire river from one end to the other with power generation. Okay. Sorry, this is the walkway. Now, how easily is it going to be to... Goodbye, lilies. They were nice. I wonder if I want to... If I dismantle this piece, what happens? Okay, it won't let me dismantle the water land, or am I too low? It will not. Okay. Fair enough. This will be... Well, we'll see how it goes. Okay, they need exactly 3 plus walkway. Okay. Oh no, that's supposed to be like that. Oops. Yeah, this will be the start of the second walkway. We'll only have one generator, unfortunately, on this side, so I'm going to have to expand it on that side to accommodate the additional generators. Crank generators. Okay. But luckily we can do that. Ah! Let's see. Z? Flatten. I can't see what I'm doing. It looks awesome, coloring, purple. It's a really nice color. Like a miniature black hole, which is what I think this thing is. Some kind of quantum singularity generator. Huh, that worked. We're just going to install additional battery packs on this side, I think. Starting from here to here, we'll install additional battery packs. I'm recording, right? Yes, I am. Sorry about the black screen. I was just checking to make sure I am actually recording. That should be fine. I don't know. I can't remember what the maximum limit for these things were. Is this one too close? I think this one is too close. Darn it. Now let's install our water wheel, and then we can worry about the rest. Come on, give me the corner. Yeah, may pay to actually... Come on, give me the corner. Okay, that actually works. If you look at the water wheel you want to attach to, and you've got the space, it works much better. This is probably undersupplied. No, it's full power with 3 water wheels. Awesome. Let's get the last 3 water wheels. And we should be good. Power-wise... Okay, we're starting to get back up there. Hoorah! Finally! I've got power! I've got power! Flippin' miracle! Took me long enough. Still got spare battery packs, so that's not a problem. Oh, wait, no, I cancelled production. Okay, look at the water wheel I want to attach to. This is going to be much easier than fighting with where I'm trying to place these things. Why is it still red? We are producing way more power than needed. We're even recharging all the batteries. Do I have spare battery packs? I have spare battery packs. That went badly. Okay, I'm off here. Why am I off? Oh, these are closer together. Voila! These are all working at full power. Awesome. Alright, I think we're going to leave this episode there. Next episode we'll investigate this emergency broadcast, which is what EB stands for. But look, finally we have power. Awesome. I hope everyone's really enjoyed this episode. I actually really enjoyed it because now I'm overcoming my problems with this game's power supply and other stuff. Though, okay, hang on, I gotta fix something before I go too far. I just noticed I've reversed all these power wheels. These are all going in the opposite direction to those. And while that's not a problem game-wise, it is a problem aesthetic-wise. It'll just bug the heck out of me every time I see it. I can't believe I erased these flooring as well. Oops. Oh, right, we gotta put the water wheel back. Sorry, slight delay to my ending of the episode because I'm complaining about aesthetics. Okay, I wanted to plug in there, I wanted to plug in that way. I think it depends on the direction you approach this from. So if you approach it from the opposite way, it'll automatically align it the other way. Come on, look at the water wheel. What? There's no problem here. Okay, that connection point can go way further than I thought it could. Or I've got this whole thing measured out incorrectly. No, it's correct. This one is just long. Well, if we can add an extra crank generator to this mess because of this, I am so doing it. I am so doing it. Okay. Alright, now that I have my aesthetics pleased, I hope everyone's enjoyed this episode and you have a wonderful day. This is Gareth from Whatchamacallit Gaming, out.